Dr. Senai Aksoy, the doctor one as many call him, leaned against a dimly lit microscope. His gaze, softened by years of witnessing the human spirit's resilience, held a spark of mischief. "Tonight, friends," he began, his voice a warm melody against the city's heartbeat, "we embark on a tale of modern alchemy, a dance between science and hope, where life itself hangs in the balance." He spoke of in vitro fertilization not just as a scientific marvel, but as an odyssey of the human soul. He painted a picture of egg hunting, not with bows and arrows, but with gentle needles guided by the keenest technology. A hunt that unfolded over 10 delicate days, a prologue to the grand act, where the symphony of medication and timing orchestrated the stage for a true miracle. Multiple, healthy eggs ready to waltz into existence. "This," he declared, his voice hushed with reverence, "isn't just harvesting eggs, it's an egg festival, a secret celebration of potential." Then the climax, anesthesia's gentle hush enveloping the room, Dr. Aksoy the maestro conducting a ballet of life. His hands, practiced and steady, became instruments of creation, retrieving each precious egg with the tenderness of a poet collecting moonbeams. "Fear not," he murmured, his eyes a reassuring beacon. "You'll feel nothing but the thrum of possibility." Dr. Aksoy gently lowered the microscope, his eyes twinkling with the afterglow of the delicate dance he'd just performed. "Now, my dear friend," he said, his voice a soothing balm, "it's time for rest. Let your body recover from this magical journey." He offered a reassuring smile. "Your loved one is waiting to whisk you home, safe and sound. Don't worry, a little spotting or bleeding is perfectly normal after the anesthesia. But if anything feels different, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to support you every step of the way." With a chuckle, he added, "And remember those magic potions your doctor prescribed? Progesterone, antibiotics, those little allies. Don't forget to take them like clockwork. They're key players in the grand finale of this story." He paused, his gaze softening. "But the real magic, my friend, is about to unfold in the laboratory. Your precious eggs, each a shimmering possibility, will soon meet their sperm partners. And from that union, a new life may bloom. A miracle born of science and love." He leaned closer, a conspiratorial wink gracing his face. "IVF or microinjection, that's a decision best made with your doctor hand in hand. Ask every question, voice every doubt. We're here to guide you not just through this process, but through the incredible adventure that awaits." With the final egg nestled safely in its incubator, a wave of quiet triumph washed over the room. It was a victory, a tiny testament to the human spirit's relentless pursuit of creation. But this was just the first chapter. Dr. Aksoy straightened, his smile a sunrise against the sea.